Have you ever dreamed of piloting your very own seaplane? The Tower Hobbies Seawind 1.4M PNP is a dream come true for RC enthusiasts. This isn't just any model airplane, it's a fully functional seaplane that can take off from water and glide smoothly through the air. Imagine the thrill of watching it skim across a lake, the propeller slicing through the morning mist and then lifting off effortlessly into the sky. What makes it special is its 1.4-meter wingspan, which gives it amazing stability and a realistic flying experience. Beginners can start with gentle flights, while more advanced flyers can perform loops and dives with ease. The Seawind isn't just about looks or flight, it's designed for performance and fun. The plug-and-play system makes setup easy. You won't be stuck for hours assembling it or wiring it incorrectly. And for those who love customization, there are options to add extra batteries or tweak the electronics for even longer flight times. Imagine taking your friends out for a weekend at the lake, everyone cheering as your plane soars overhead. It's pure satisfaction. There's something magical about flying your own miniature plane, especially when you see the way it responds to your every command. Even just watching it glide slowly before diving into a smooth loop can be oddly mesmerizing. Switching gears from the sky to your ears, let's talk about the Zhama buds. True wireless earbuds are everywhere, but these stand out because they combine sound quality, comfort, and style in one tiny package. Have you ever been annoyed by earbuds that fall out mid-run or have muffled sound during calls? The Zhama buds solve those problems. They sit snugly in your ears, deliver crisp audio, and have just enough bass to make music feel alive. Long commutes, workouts, or even just lounging at home become more immersive experiences. The battery life is strong too, keeping you connected all day, and when you need a quick charge, they're ready in minutes. It's amazing how something so small can completely change your audio experience. Speaking of things that move fast, have you ever seen a drone that practically dances in the sky? The Blade Eclipse 360 BNF Basic is a compact quadcopter perfect for anyone looking to enter drone flying or up their aerial game. What's cool about it is the bind and fly system, which lets you connect it quickly to your transmitter without any fuss. Its agility allows for flips, tricks, and smooth maneuvers that are incredibly satisfying to watch. The lightweight design makes minor crashes far less intimidating, so you can push your skills without worrying too much about damage. Whether it's racing with friends, filming outdoor adventures, or just enjoying the view from above, this drone turns ordinary days into extraordinary experiences. There's also a real wow factor when you first see it spin and flip, almost like it's performing a tiny aerial dance just for you. Now, let's bring a little bit of gaming magic into your room. The Paladone Super Mario icon light is more than just a decoration, it's a mood setter. Anyone who grew up playing Mario will instantly recognize the charm of this piece. The light is touch-sensitive with adjustable brightness, and it adds a playful, nostalgic vibe at any room. Picture a late-night gaming session, the glow of the Mario block lighting up your desk while you conquer levels. It's a simple gadget, but it creates an experience. It's compact enough to fit on your shelf or bedside table, and the design is so iconic that it'll make anyone smile. Kids, teens, and adults alike will find it irresistible. Ever wish your cleaning routine could be faster, smarter, and even a little fun? The Oxalam 4-in-1 vacuum is designed to do exactly that. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a multi-purpose tool that sweeps, mops, and sucks up dirt all in one go. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or busy households. Imagine spilling a bit of cereal in the morning, or crumbs on your desk after work. Instead of dragging out multiple cleaning tools, the Oxalam handles everything efficiently. Its compact design allows it to reach under furniture, tight corners, and tricky spots that other vacuums struggle with. It's like having a little cleaning assistant that actually enjoys helping you. And isn't that every tech lover's dream? Here's one for the puzzle lovers and tech enthusiasts, the Kinect Smart Cube.
At first glance, it might look like a regular Rubik's Cube, but this one takes it to the next level. It's interactive, tracks your moves, and lets you challenge yourself in unique ways. Imagine solving a puzzle and seeing your progress light up in real time, or competing with friends in digital challenges. It combines the tactile satisfaction of twisting and turning a cube with the addictive fun of a smart gadget. For kids and adults alike, it's a brain teaser that keeps you engaged for hours, improving your focus and problem-solving skills without feeling like work. And there's something oddly satisfying about the little lights dancing as you solve it, almost like the cube is cheering you on. Time to elevate your style. Meet the Matrix Watch. This isn't just a watch, it's a statement piece that blends fashion and functionality. With customizable displays, sleek design, and smart features, it's perfect for keeping track of time, notifications, and even your daily activity. Whether you're heading to work, a meeting, or a night out, it adds a futuristic edge to your outfit. And the battery life? Solid enough to keep up with your busy day without constant charging. For anyone who appreciates subtle tech elegance, this watch is a winner. It's sleek enough that even non-tech lovers will compliment it. For game nights that literally shine, check out light-up cards. They're not just ordinary playing cards, they glow. Imagine dealing a hand in the dark, each card lighting up as if by magic. It's perfect for parties, late-night games, or just adding a touch of spectacle to a classic card game. This little twist takes an everyday activity and turns it into a memorable experience. Plus, they're lightweight, durable, and super fun to show off to friends. Even simple card games suddenly feel cinematic. Feeling fidgety? The Panda fidget slider is the perfect gadget to keep your hands busy and your mind focused. This little handheld toy slides back and forth smoothly and is oddly satisfying. The Panda design adds a cute, playful touch, making it a fun desk accessory or a gift for someone who loves quirky gadgets. It's ideal for moments when you need to relieve stress, stay focused during work, or just enjoy something simple yet engaging. You'll find yourself absent-mindedly sliding it during meetings, study sessions, or even on long commutes. It's strangely addictive in the best way. And for collectors, magicians, or anyone who loves a superhero twist, the Theory 11 Spider-Man playing cards are a must-have. These aren't your standard deck of cards. They're high quality, intricately designed, and inspired by Spider-Man. Every shuffle feels like part of a cinematic experience, and the cards themselves are a joy to handle. They're perfect for tricks, casual games, or even as a collector's item to display on your shelf. Blending art, craftsmanship, and fandom, this deck brings a unique touch to something as simple as playing cards. Even just looking at them makes you feel like you're part of a superhero story. So whether it's soaring through the sky with the Seawind plane, losing yourself in the music with XIHMA buds, performing aerial tricks with the Blade Eclipse, or lighting up your desk with the Mario icon light, each gadget here adds a little extra magic to everyday life. Which one caught your eye the most? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.